Hello, I'm Beth Ann Stone with the LMC Office of Planning and Institutional Effectiveness. This video will provide you instructions on how administrative units can complete Section 2 Vision for Success Goals Update of their Program Review Year 5 in eLumen. The introductory video provides you with information and instructions on how to access and log into eLumen, ensuring your role in eLumen that you have selected is Department Coordinator, and that you've also selected the appropriate program or unit you will be completing this Administrative Program Review Year 5 update for. You will see on your screen I am in eLumen, I am in my template, and I am at Section 2. The state's Vision for Success plan established system-wide goals that can only be attained by each program contributing to college-level goals aligned with this plan. Toward that end, the goals stated in both the District Strategic Plan and the LMC Educational Master Plan align with the Vision for Success goals. The intent is to direct college efforts towards a singular and coordinated set of goals to garner greater efficiencies and avoid duplication of effort. You will note that the Chancellor's Office Vision for Success goals are located here for easy reference, as well as a link to that plan, a link to the District Strategic Plan, and a link to the LMC Educational Master Plan. These links are also provided in your Administrative Unit's eLumen User Guide for Program Review Year 5. I'm going to use the right scroll bar to scroll down and begin this section. As noted in the introductory video, you should have open and available your Program Review Year 3 report. We are going to be transferring some of the information from that report for this section. Please note you will need to copy and paste the table provided both in the template itself and your user guide into your response. You could do this by highlighting the table, right mouse clicking to copy it, using the right scroll bar, place your cursor in the text box, and hit Control-B to paste it. You will now see the table appear. Next, I'm going to refer to my Program Review Year 3 report to enter in my program set goals for the appropriate Vision for Success ACC-JC indicator. You will see on your screen my Program Review Year 3 report for Office of Planning and Institutional Effectiveness. I'm at Section 2, Setting Vision for Success Goals. I want to use the scroll bar to see the table, and I see my program set goal for the indicator of course success. I'm going to copy and paste my program set goal by highlighting it, right mouse click, select copy. Now I'm going to navigate back to my eLumen screen so I can paste this information into my template. You will see I'm back at my eLumen screen. I see the text box that I've just pasted the table in so I can begin completing it. I place my cursor in the appropriate cell under my program set goals from Year 3. I hit Control-V, and I've now copied my Year 3 goal. Next, I want to give the status. Please note, due to a system modification, that under your list of options for status, in progress is not there. However, that is an option. So please note you can enter in progress even though it's not listed as the available options. For this, I am going to list in progress because I am still in progress of achieving or working to achieve this goal for my program. I type in progress. I hit Tab to go to the next column. Now I'm going to refer back to my Year 3 report so I can view my timeline, adjust it if needed. I am back at my Year 3 report and ready to look at my timeline. This timeline does not need to be modified. It is still accurate, so I want to copy and paste this into my eLumen Year 5 template by highlighting, right mouse click, select copy, and navigate back to eLumen to enter the information into your response. I'm back at eLumen in my 2A response. I position my cursor so I can paste the information I've just copied from my Year 3 report. I place my cursor in the next cell, and now I want to properly enter the responsible parties associated with this goal. I want to refer again to my Year 3 report to look at the list of responsible parties. Note if that is still accurate. If it is not, then I want to make sure I adjust it in my Year 5 response. So now we're going to navigate to my Year 3 report. I am now at my Year 3 report. I see the responsible parties. I see that is still accurate. I'm going to highlight it, right mouse click, select copy, then navigate to my eLumen Year 5 update to enter the information into the table. I am now back at eLumen, ready to copy and paste my responsible parties. I position my cursor in the appropriate cell under that column, hit Control V to enter the information, and position my cursor in the next column where I'm going to enter action steps, explanation. Now I'm going to navigate back to my Year 3 report again to copy this information, paste it here, and revise if needed. You will now see I'm back at my Year 3 report. Under the column labeled Action Steps, I'm going to copy and paste this information by highlighting, right mouse click, select copy. Now I'm going to navigate back to my eLumen Year 5 template to paste the response. You will see I'm back at my eLumen, Section 2, Question 2A. I'm ready to paste my response under Action Steps. I position my cursor in the appropriate cell under the column, hit Control V to paste the information. You will see that the table automatically expands to support your text. I review this information, revise it by typing anything extra or deleting anything that may need to be changed. I'm now done with Section 2A, as this is the only goal and indicator I entered. If you had other goals associated with the Vision for Success ACC-JC indicators, please make sure you repeat the aforementioned steps and enter the information accordingly. Now we're ready to proceed to 2B. Using the right scroll bar, I proceed to Section 2B. Now I'm ready to complete Section 2B. The Vision for Success Goal 5, Equity, is designed to reduce the equity achievement gap on course success for disproportionately impacted student populations. The college has identified the following 3 disproportionately impacted populations: African American, economically disadvantaged students or low income, and foster youth students. Here you will want to refer to your Tableau Data Dashboard Program Review trainings. Those instructions, information, and trainings are provided separately. This video is only to help you navigate and complete your program review in Year 5. So please refer to your Tableau program review data for each of the aforementioned disproportionately impacted populations and provide a status update on your program goals for your previous selected disproportionately impacted populations in your program review Year 3 update. If your goal has been modified, please include the action steps. If your goal has been abandoned, please provide an explanation as to why. As noted in the introductory video, you're going to want to have your program review Year 3 report open and available. Please note you will need to copy and paste the table that's here, and it's also in your user guide into your response. I could copy and paste this table into my response by highlighting it, right mouse click, select copy, place my cursor in the open text box, select Control V to paste the table. Now I want to refer to my program review Year 3 report so I could see my goals from that year and then begin completing the table accordingly. You will see I am in my program review Year 3 report for administrative units, my Office of Planning and Institutional Effectiveness. I see my program set goals for the disproportionately impacted population of African American students. I want to highlight that goal, right mouse click, copy it. Now I'm going to navigate back to my eLumen Year 5 template so I can paste the information into my program review. Now you will see I'm back at my eLumen Year 5 template. I see the table in my response. I position my cursor under the appropriate column, hit Control V to paste my Year 3 goal. Now I go to the next column and can enter my status. Please note, due to a system error, in progress does not appear as an available status. However, it is. If your goal is in progress, you may select by entering in progress. Please note, it's just a system error that it does not appear there, but that is an available status. So it's modified, completed, or abandoned. This goal is still in progress, so I'm going to enter in progress. I go to the next column where I'm going to enter my timeline. I want to refer to my year 3 report to view the timeline I entered, see if that is still accurate. If it is, I'm going to copy and paste it into this cell. If it is not, I will modify it accordingly. See, I'm back at my year 3 report. This timeline is still accurate. I'm going to copy and paste it by highlighting it, right mouse click, select copy. Now I'm going to navigate back to my eLumen year 5 report so I can enter it accordingly. I am back at my year 5 report. I want to paste it into the table in my response by placing my cursor in the appropriate cell, hitting Control V, and pasting it. If your timeline has been adjusted or is now different, please make sure you enter in the timeline as it currently is for the school. Next, I'm going to enter the responsible parties. I want to refer to my year 3 report, review the responsible parties listed, determine if that is still accurate. If it is, I will copy and paste it into this response. If it is not, I will adjust it accordingly. Now I'm going to navigate to my year 3 report. I am back at my year 3 report. The responsible parties are still accurate. I'm going to copy and paste it by highlighting it, right mouse click, select copy, and navigate to my eLumen year 5 template to enter the response. I am back in eLumen at my year 5 template. I place my cursor in the appropriate cell, hit Control V to enter in, or paste rather, the responsible parties, and I'm next ready to complete action steps explanation. I'm going to refer to my year 3 report, copy and paste that information into this cell, and revise it if needed. I am back at my year 3 report. Under the column action steps, I'm going to copy this by highlighting it, right mouse click, select copy, and then navigate back to my eLumen year 5 report so I can enter my response. I am now back in eLumen for year 5. I position my cursor in the appropriate cell, select Control V to paste it. You could see the table automatically expands. I review the information to determine if it's still accurate, if there's anything I need to add, such as if my goal has been abandoned, I want to include an explanation as to why it was abandoned. If it has been modified, I want to include an explanation as to why it was modified. Now, if you have other goals that you set for other indicators for Vision for Success, ACC, JC, please enter them here. Once you have done so, you are now done with 2B. You select Save Draft, and you're now done with Section 2.